the most thoughtful thing you've ever bought for me.
Really?
Ever. What?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Self Love with Chi Chi. By the way, this is a part 2 video, so if you haven't watched part 1, I'll put the link in the description box so you can watch. In this video, he's going to be opening his Valentine's gifts, and later on I will also open my Valentine's gifts. So if you want to see what I got for Valentine's and my reaction, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.
The time to buy gift bags, but oh.
Lovely. No man, I'm gonna look good in it. I wish it was a party where we can wear. Ooh. Check you. Man's got the full equipment in that. Yeah. Obviously, you're trying. You know, I'm still trying to grow my hair and all that. You know, so the beard.
Yeah.
Yes. How did you know I actually wanted this? I wanted this so bad.
Full kit. No excuses now.
No excuses. I don't know how I'm gonna top this now. You put so much pressure on me, man.
Yeah, so these are your love tokens for what you want.
When do you get all these ideas? Like, I'm with you like all the time.
Yeah, so you can get like cuddling sessions.
Food rub.
Yeah, they've got a 12-month expiry and 1 use only.
Oh, so you can only choose one.
I mean, you can only use one once. You can't like recycle a stamp.
I got unlimited kisses. Can I use one of them right now?
I hear you're gonna love this.
What a great idea. Home cooked meal. Control of TV. Ooh. Oh man! You know how jealous I get when you just got yours and then you're just chilling and you... Oh my days. Dude, I get so jealous.
That was meant to be bigger than that.
Grow off, guys.
Yeah.
Look, your boy's been struggling with hair. My hair is going off. And this and that, you gotta save the big one for last. You went in. Dude, I'm so nervous now. Since it's COVID and all that. Whoa!
You see? Do you see how all of them have got some meaning behind them?
Massively, yeah. I'll explain for those who don't know. This is one of my favorite pictures ever. Great
First
night,
one ever.
house party, and this was my amazing proposal. If you haven't seen the clip yet, you need to check it out. I went all out. Beautiful day, amazing. And this, of course, this is the day, our Lobola day, Aurora day, African wedding. We killed it. Beautiful day, amazing card. Wow. I love this. We need to keep this message. This is private.
I wanted to write more, but they didn't have any more space.
There's are many reasons why she loves me, guys. For those who don't know, you're always kind. Yes, all the time. Always super kind. You are tall and handsome. I am tall. I am very tall. And I believe the second one, you know, you're God-fearing. Netisi. Dude. This is how I know you personally wrote this. You know what? Because you put Mletis. What are the chances you find a card and then somebody's already put Mletis? So the fact that there's Mletis is my middle name, guys. Thank you, milady. I don't know how I'm gonna top this. I'm nervous.
Which one is your fave?
This. Oh, dude.
Really?
Dude, this means a lot to me. This is everything. We killed it.
Yeah?
I love this.
I wanted to put other. So this one first, yeah?
That one first, milady. I hope you like it. I'm nervous and oh man, I can't. It's hard to top what you done. You did mention you wanted some PJs. Nice.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Ooh. So it's like a magnetic charger? Ooh. Is this a watch of some kind?
It is a watch, baby. Those other straps are connected to it. It's an iPhone watch.
What?
Mm-hmm.
You're joking.
You know what I mean? When you do your little walks and you're counting your steps and all that.
Oh, you are wrong. Oh my gosh. I've got my own label, guys. Ah.
It's your own match, baby.
You are so wrong. I hate you. Oh my gosh, this is actually gonna make me cry. What?
Yeah, man.
No!
Subscribe to Self Love and Chichi with Chichi.
What?
Mm-hmm.
This is the most thoughtful thing you've ever bought for me.
Really?
Ever. What?
And the other ones.
Oh my gosh!
You like it? Yes, my baby. It's alright. It's alright, baby. I like the yellow one.
What? Oh, match! Match! Oh, how did you come up with this color? This is so nice.
Oh man. We're just working on it. Just working on it. Hopefully you like it.
Oh, what?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Self-love with Chichi.
Looks like me. Look. It looks like me. Oh my days.
You like it?
And a hat. This, you finished me.
Yeah.
You finished me.
No. And yeah.
And I was out here thinking I'm bowling.
You are bowling. Yeah, man.
I've collapsed.
Right. No more Nikes or what. You
Guys,
do.
if you want match, let me know. Like, this is decent match.
This is very different. Quality is good as well.
How did you even think of this? Normally, I proper give you hints of what I want, and you buy exactly what I want.
We've been together for a long time, baby. Your boy's learning.
Guys, he knows how to put a smile on my face. You, man, there's been a lot of secrets in this house.
They're good secrets.
Everyone would just hear a knock and be like, is that my delivery? Don't open. Don't open.
It had to be a secret.
Oh, thank you, baby. Woo!
Treason.
I'll do the silhouette challenge.
Oh. Somebody help me.
Come on, baby.
It starts.
Silhouette challenge.
It starts with the silhouette challenge.
We got merch. We got merch for days.
Honestly, guys, no.
Get your merch at selflovewithchichi.co.uk. If you ain't got, you missing, boo.
Trust me. Yeah.
So this is the whole shenanigan, babe.
Yep. And mine, some of them. Lovely flowers and more match down here. Nice. That's the watch. There's me lady. Beautiful as always. Happy Valentine's, baby.
Happy Valentines.
Very good.
This is just concluding the Valentine shenanigans.